This is a video showing you how to create a student booking form so they can book half an hour of your time. Go to office.com, go to all apps, go to bookings. This will open a page similar to this. It might actually have a different splash page, which because I've created a booking calendar, I now can't access. But you will want to click create new. But when you click on create bookings, you'll be given a thing like this and choose a calendar. We don't use any of these ones that are already there unless you're already using them. You click add a booking calendar. You then give it a name. So for this name, it's what you want your booking calendar to be. So I might call it Stephen Taylor Support. And the business type is education. You then press continue. That will give you a page looking like this. So first of all, we need to add a logo. So in there you could put anything you want. You could put your face, you could put the Blackpool and Fowle College logo, you could put your lesson logo that you use on Canvas or on Teams if you wish to. We need to go to business information, make sure it's got the name that you want, and just check all the details are fine. So as we scroll down, it's on education, currency, Great British Pounds, not that matters, business logo, and set your business hours. Now you'll want to change this to be 9 AM till 5 PM. And then you need to press save. And we go back to this sidebar. The next thing that you need to do is services. So it automatically puts an initial consult. We want to change that. So we click on there. So we call it weekly checkup. Give it a description. Click add online meeting. It doesn't need a location, but you can put Teams if you want to. Set the duration. I've been setting mine to 30 minutes, but you can set it to whatever you want it to be. You can let them manage their booking if you want to or not. That's up to you. Default price is going to be free, so you need to set that to free. Then select custom fields, this modify button here. You want the custom email, you don't want phone number, so we're going to want to delete, and we're going to want to delete customer address. You do that just by clicking on them. The ones that are grey are the ones that stay. You can add a question if you want to, so say you wanted to add which class are you in, you could do that as well. And then as we scroll down, there's nothing else there. We can click on that to make that be shown, and you can decide what order they go into. You can also decide if that's required or not. So I'm going to click off that one because I don't need it for my things. I'm going to click OK. And then get rid of the emails, and then assign staff you want to click on yourself with the tick. Once you've done that, press save, and then the final bit that we have to do is this booking page. So we want people to require an Office 365. We don't want people to be able to search engine index for us. Scrolling down, because we're not going to be collecting any private information from them, so we don't need to worry about that. We now need to think about our scheduling policy. We want available times and increments of 30 minutes for them to book into. Then you need to pick your minimum and maximum lead times. At the moment, people can't book except for the day before. You might want to change that to 12 hours before, or 6 hours before, or no hours before. Probably best having it as at least one so people can't spring a meeting on you unexpectedly. And maximum lead time, we don't need to worry about that. We want to send an email notification to us when we've got a booking created, and a meeting invite to the customers as well, so tick that. On staff, if you are working as a curriculum manager and you're making this for every one of your staff, you might want to keep that as a tick. Otherwise, untick it. General availability, you can set it when staff are free, or you can put custom hours. So if you want to have yourself available for these meetings every week on a Wednesday afternoon, we'll take out Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, and we'll set Wednesday to 12 o'clock till 3 o'clock. We can then customise our page, and you can pick a colour scheme for whichever you want them to see as they come in. That's entirely up to you. There's custom ones as well. You can put your business logo on your booking page if you wish as well. Region and time zone, just keep that as English and London. Once you are happy with that, we press save and publish. And scrolling up to the top, we now have this open published page thing. So that brings them to this page. They can click on weekly checkup. Now, as at the end of the month, they're not showing up, so we move to next month. And here you can see all these Wednesday slots. They can click on it, and they can click a time in which to talk to you, and they're in 30-minute increments. So your students can click in, click there, they type in their name, they type in their email address, and it has to be their college one, and they can give any notes, and then they press book. And this is what they see. And you will get an email confirming that as well. So this has been how to use bookings. I hope that it is helpful.